See how faded that is? This is so faded. I'm gonna try some of this and see if I can get that as black as that. This sweater is really old and really, I've worn this thing for years. This is years old. So let's see what it does. So after reading the instructions, it says stick this entire pod in there. So I'm gonna make a full load, and I've got some more faded t-shirts that I'm gonna stick in. So I'm gonna stick them all in. And you open this up. Here, we'll do it right now in real time. You open this up, you leave that. Put your clothes in. So all these are faded. Put your clothes in. And then it says stick this just on the top. Like that. And then put some salt in. I don't know if I'm going to put 1.5 cups in, but I'll put a little salt in. And then you wash it for 2 hours. And then when it's done, do another wash. And then hang dry them. So let me show you the after effect. All right, so the first one is done. It leaves a little black in there, so you have to clean that up. It sticks to your hands too. Now I'm gonna take this out, and according to the instructions, I do another long rinse, and I'll see if I need 1 or 2 of those. And then I'll hang them dry. So I'll put some life back into these. Some of these shirts are so old. I mean, it's never going to put it back to what it was, but it puts some life into all these shirts. This shirt right here was so faded and gray, and now it's black. This one was extremely faded too. These 3 right here were the most faded shirts. And they're not like they're brand new, but they're black. And it will kind of gray up your white a little bit, which doesn't bother me. So if you have like white, see, that's not too bad. Like, that's not too bad. On this material right here, it'll gray it up, but I've done it before, and then after washing it a few more times, it'll get it out, and it doesn't bother me to have it gray, because it's just, I'd rather have this black and then have that a little bit of gray than have that gray and then that white. So this is very old. This is many years old too. So put some life back into it. Have yourself a great day.